Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today, a glimpse of Jamaica will bring you up to date and some of the happenings on the entertainment scene. Stories making the list today are: singer Denver Feluke dies of cancer, reggae artist Toots and the Maytel in medically induced coma, Jada Kingdom kicks off 22nd birthday celebration with a bang, Shenseea is ready for a girlfriend, and the Angel OnlyFans videos are making the rounds now on Pornhub. Stay tuned for these stories in detail. And remember to like, share this video, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. And remember to turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss any of my videos. Reggae singer and percussionist Denver Feluke Smith has died. Feluke was diagnosed with stage 4 colon cancer in 2014 and has been in and out of hospital undergoing treatment and surgeries to remove tumors and to rectify other problems caused by the cancer. Feluke traveled to Mexico in 2017 to be assisted by experts. He responded well to the treatment and had been on the mend. However, in November last year, the singer started experiencing complications once more. Since news of his passing, several artists took to social media to pay their respect. We extend condolences to his families and friends. May his soul rest in peace. Reggae singer Toots is in a medically induced coma. The family is asking the public for prayers as the singer is battling for his life. The 54-46 singer is reportedly in a medically induced coma at the Tony Thwaites wing at the University Hospital of the West Indies. They have been quoted as saying, "We need prayers right now. Toots is a mighty soldier on the battlefield. It is rough, but the doctors and consultants at the University Hospital are working 24/7 around the clock to save him, and we thank them for their efforts. We know he will pull through. He is a true warrior." Jada Kingdom kicks off her 22nd birthday with a bang. Yeah. Jada celebrated her 22nd birthday on September 5th, and she started off with a bang. A little bit of drunkenness and a little twerking. The Jamaican entertainer partied up a storm in Atlanta in the US with her boyfriend Vers Simmons, and she got a little bit drunk. In videos shared on Instagram, Jada showed that she kicked off her birthday at a party. In one video, she was twerking as if her life depended on it. And then in another, it showed a drunk Jada barely able to stand up. But the special day isn't just being wasted, as Vers posted the sweetest birthday message for Jada. "Since the day we met, we have almost literally been inseparable. I love everything about you, even the things you don't like. You are a special human being, and I'm blessed to have you in my life and in my corner. You are beautiful, talented, intelligent, and effing hustler, and I admire that about you. There's nobody like you. There is something I am sure of. I love to see you happy, and it's my job now to make sure that you stay that way. How sweet. All the best, Jada. You go, girl. Live it up. And we are waiting more good materials from you. Hopefully she's feeling better now. Shenseea is ready for a girlfriend now. It seems Shenseea just loves making controversial statements. This time, she's causing a stir on social media after stating that she's ready for a girlfriend. Along with a bikini picture she posted on Instagram, Shenseea said, "Think I'm ready for a girlfriend now." Within an hour, she received more than 2,000 comments on the post, as well as more than 110 likes. Way to go. Seems as if people were waiting on this post. The female welcomed the statement, but the males were taken aback. One commenter posted, "Jesus, gal, I want me do you make you do me that?" Another said, "I what? Autocorrect playing around, babes." But this is not the first time that Shenseea has been involved in this type of controversy. Last year, she faced some backlash for her Blessed music video in which she was seen in bed with a woman. So, what do you call this? Clickbait, promotion, exposure? I don't know. Comment below what you think. Or is it that she's serious about it? Or she's just playing with her meds? You tell me what you think about it. I honestly don't. The Angel's OnlyFans videos share on Pornhub. So, can we safely say that the Angel is now officially a porn star? Wow. Despite threats to sue people for leaking her OnlyFans content, a raunchy The Angel video has somehow found itself an adult website, Pornhub. The video was added to the website last week. At the start of the video that was originally shared on OnlyFans, The Angel said, "I promised that I would give you something nice, something exclusive. I just premiered my brand new video, Exposed. It is on my Instagram Live, and I promise you that I would give you something nice." She goes on to dance provocatively in bed to her song called Exposed, and she was only wearing bra and underwear. The video has been viewed almost 10,000 times on Pornhub. In July, The Angel threatened to sue people for leaking her OnlyFans content. She even retained popular attorney Christopher Townsend to deal with the matter. By the way, it cost US $19.99 to view The Angel's content on OnlyFans. So, if you're interested on that side of The Angel, you can go check out her OnlyFans page. Russian showing off his garden studio and his $95,000 watch. Jamaican producer Russian showed off his impressive studio, but his expensive watch stole the show. Russian shared 2 photos on Instagram on Thursday of him posing in his studio, which he calls the garden, with the caption, "The garden, who to record?" Jamaicans reacted in the comment to the producers as well as you would expect. He got a lot of comments, but a few noticed the watch on his wrist, which appeared to be a Audemars Piju Royal Oak Perpetual Calendar in white ceramics. Hope I got that one right. The Swiss made watch is priced close to 95,000 US dollars, or about 14 million Jamaican dollars, and is limited in production with only a small quantity of pieces made each year, according to Hypebeast. Way to go, Russian. You go. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.